from his den so sly. Morning sun kissed the earth, oh my, brushed his fur and stretched his tiny toes. Off to school he went, where the learning flows. At his desk, with books piled high, dreams of adventure lit up his eye. From math to art the hours flew so fast, but little Mole couldn't wait for the bell at last. Oh, naughty Mole, mischief in his stare. Rules be bent when there's fun to spare. Found a beehive, golden treasure in sight, but trouble was buzzing, bringing a prickly fight.